seating over this way with real sand again. Here, this is pretty cool. And then over this way by the sauna is the hot tub. We're gonna walk around that really quick. This is the first Disney resort I've been to that has a sauna. It is located in the lighthouse here. Super awesome. Alright, let's try for the sauna. Let's see inside here. Oh yeah, so it's a dry sauna. These are my favorite. I love them. The poles.
Let's up on the other side. Okay, and then turn it to the right. No, just halfway.
Are we on the resort review now?
There you go. Right there.
Anyway, this is the pool area now. There is the water slide over there with the hidden Mickey off the entrance. I love the theming. Always complimentary life jackets at the DVC resorts. Now this part isn't a pool, but it is kind of a cool decoration. Over here, there's a lot of seating at this pool. Over here's a nice, like, this is the sandcastle area where there's actually sand. Over here. And this is the baby pool. Cute theming. Alright, so over here is another place with sand. Here is the play area. Nice that it's covered here in Florida where it gets hot. Oh, and look, we came over here. There's some extra stuff. So here's some slides. That's kind of a fun exercise thing. And then over here is giant chess and giant checkers. And then I'm not sure how to get there, but back there is volleyball. And then over here is a hammock. Again, the theming over here at the sandcastle area is really cool. Giant sandcastle. Here's a giant pail, bucket, which is cool. And a giant shovel.